has been my food every day, crying for the pains of love, wishing one day everything is gonna be okay. And I've tried all I could to make this thing to work, but you never care, 'cause you never help me. What kind of man?
Madam, I want to talk to you.
Is it about your school?
It's not about that, ma'am.
Any other thing can wait for later.
He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know he's the...
Ma, it's about Uncle Tega.
What about him?
Ma, I don't think he loves you. 'Cause if he does, he won't be making you cry all the time.
I wasn't crying.
But he beats you up again.
Papa,
Ma,
go and keep yourself busy.
I'm fine. I don't have any other thing I'm doing. Ma, I don't think you should have allowed him to be beating you all the time. Ma, he's not even your husband yet, and he keep maltreating you this way. You feed him, you clothe him, and you even...
How dare you stand before me and spew rubbish? Get lost.
I'm sorry, ma. I'm so sorry.
I've never appreciated what kind of human. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's never gonna change. He's ungrateful, and he's heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know he can never change.
You see, Donna, today you're following me to the hospital for the fertility test, whether you like it or not.
See, I am going to work. I want to rush off now. I need to meet my clients. They are waiting for me.
Hey.
When I come back from work, we'll go to the hospital.
It's obvious you didn't hear me well. I said today, you're not going anywhere until you follow me to the hospital.
Allow me to go now. What is this now? Stop this.
You're not going anywhere.
I need to rush off now.
Whether you like it or not, you're going with me to the hospital.
Understand me. Understand
What is happening here? Hey, leave him alone. What is happening here? Eh? Has it gotten to this extent of you fighting my son and depriving him not to go out? Eh? Other women are in their husband's house, busy making children. But you are here, fighting my son. Don't you have shame?
Mama, if you see the truth, say it though. If you see the truth, Mama, just say it. Tell your son to follow me to the hospital. Let's go and run a fertility test. Let's know where this problem is from so we get it solved once and for all.
Hey! Young woman, don't try to put it on my son. Because my son's lineage is known for being potent. Do you understand me? When I got married to my husband, his father, it took me just some days to conceive. So don't try to blame your inability of having children on my son.
Donna, you're following me to the hospital today. Let's go and run a test.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to the hospital. I am sound. Nothing is wrong with me.
Then why are you not following following me to the hospital? Why is this such a big deal? Let's just go to the hospital and find out what is wrong.
Why are you just watching her? Nah, give her a dirty slap to reset her brain.
Mama, it's okay. I will not let her ruin my day.
Oh, really?
Okay?
If you don't follow me to the hospital, you're not going anywhere with this car. You're not going anywhere. In fact, if you're insisting that you're going out, then you have to drop the car. And then make sure you take your mother along with you, because this house, I'm going to lock it up. In fact, give me the car key. Give me the car key.
Donna?
No.
She collected your car key and you're standing here. Go in there and pound her like fufu.
I'm gonna drop on the kitchen. You will understand. You will not really understand.
The only thing I don't understand is that your wife, the woman you married with your hard-earned money, collected your car key, and you're here telling me I don't understand. Doing nothing. Now, go inside.
Mama, you don't.
Go inside.
You don't get it.
Go inside.
And
Go inside and beat her very well.
Yeah? You don't get
Go
it.
inside. Go. Go and beat her. Collect the car key.
Don't get me angry. Don't come and inch close to me. Don't do that. You heard me. I bought this car with my hard-earned money. And now I want to have it back.
Come on, don't do this. I told you some people are waiting for me. My clients are waiting for me out there. Please.
Listen to yourself. No. Listen to yourself. Your clients, they are more important than our family affairs, is it? They are more important than our family matter. What kind of a man are you? You stood there, watch your mom insult me, humiliate me because of our childlessness. And it doesn't bother you to do something about it.
It bothers me. It worries me a lot. But I have to go and look for money so we can go to a better hospital, a nice hospital.
Who asked you for your money? Did I tell you to make any payment? All I asked is for you to follow me to the hospital. Or we go to your own hospital if you don't feel comfortable with mine. Whatever we do, after everything, I do the payments. Yes, I did ask you to pay. I'm not complaining.
No problem.
No problem?
Yes, no problem. If I'm back, then we'll go to the hospital.
Rubbish.
What is it? My wife is going crazy. She has collected the car key. And she insisted that we must go to the hospital.
Do you have the money I asked for? Because if you have the money, all these stories will become history before evening.
I have it. I have it. It's complete. Where do I go? What do I do?
Don't worry, I'll give you a call.
See, Mike, please, do not mess me up, okay? My wife is very intelligent. She's very sharp. Once she notices any shady moves, she will code.
Like I said, just relax. Mike is on the wheel. I'm handling this now, okay?
Please, I beg you, please.
Relax.
Did he tell you anything? Did he tell you I offended him?
No. He didn't tell me anything. But no problem.
Tega has changed. He has changed into a beast. He's no longer the charming man I used to know. I try my best. I try to do everything to make him happy. I virtually provide almost everything he needs. But what do I get in return? Punching, kicking. He's trying so hard to make me have this bad narrative about men. I love Tega. I love Tega more than I even love myself. I don't deserve this. I don't.
I'm sorry this is happening to you. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry.
Do you know Tega has no savings? He drinks every day. He goes to work whenever he feels like, and then comes home angry. I cannot even keep money in my house because Tega would take it. I am just living in my house like a slave. A slave in her own house.
This is not fair. Yes. But don't worry. I will talk to him. I promise. Yes.
Please. I will be so glad if you can talk to him. Please.
Sure, I will. Once again, I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry for the way he treats you. I'm sorry for everything. You know he's my friend. Please try and forgive him, okay? I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Don't worry, I'll talk to him, okay? It's a promise.
It's well.
One day, that game that you are playing, one day, will surely be exposed. One day, nothing is hidden under the sun. Ain't no, that's your little secret. One day, I am a banana. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Where is this place?
This place? That's the lab.
How can this be a lab? Without no signage?
As you can see, the person just started newly. She just came back from America, so they are new here.
This cannot be a laboratory.
Are you ready for this? Huh? If you're not ready, tell me so I'll go home immediately.
Donna. Okay. Hello, are you the lab technician?
Lab technician. Helen? Helen! When did you become a lab technician?
No, Mio. He's my friend.
Which of your friends? Wait a minute. Is this what you do in this house? You deceive people by telling them you are a lab technician?
Sister, how will you think of a thing like that? It's not for me. It's my friend. Trisha. She's the one that's the lab technician.
Hold on. Hello, are you not Rita's ex-husband? You deceived her for 3 good years before she found out that you are impotent. Yes, you are. It's you.
Madam.
You are the next victim.
Do you know my husband?
Ask him that question. He knows I know him too well. Listen, he is a liar. You are his next victim.
Donna, Donna, what is she saying?
Baby, can we go to another lab, please?
Leave me alone! What is she saying?
Let's...
So you're impotent! Hey! Chimewo. Is this the reason you've been avoiding us going to the hospital for fertility test?
Babe, come on. Come, let's leave here.
Donna! How can you be this wicked? How can you be this mean after everything I did for you, Donna? After everything I did for you, how can you be this mean? Donna, what did I do to you? What did I do to you?
I'm sorry.
After everything I went through because of you.
I'm sorry, I'm not a mom. I'm so sorry.
Give my daddy. Go punish you. Come and come into the house. Donatus!
Are you leaving me?
Jesus!
Babe? It's not raining. Just put your right hand. Babe? Are you? Baby! Hey! Are you happy now? Are you happy now?
Hey, get out! Are you not impotent? Are you not? My friend, get out of my house. You can't do anything. Get out. God damn. Hey! Come back here.
Sister, this is not...
I said come back here. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to ever see that crook in this house again. Do you hear me? I rented this house for you and your sister. Not for you to bring people in and deceive them. Are you okay?
Sister, this is not fair. This was too
Hey, get
much.
out! I have told you.
I'm telling you now, you will not listen and you're going quite like that. You have scattered somebody's home. You have scattered somebody's home just like that. This one is hot though. Where is Mike?
I want my money back. Why don't you tell me that her sister was in the house? How was she humiliated?
Why didn't you call me before going there? You blew everything.
See, I want my money back. I do not want stories.
Brother, calm down, please. See, let's find other way to deal with this.
There's no way to deal with anything. Helen's sister has told my wife everything. Everything. And I'm not sure that this marriage is going to continue.
She did? Hey, Chineke, this one a blow job. What do we do now?
I want my money back. That is the only thing I have now. Because I'm not sure of any other thing.
Listen, see, let me tell you what to do once you get home. Once you get home, make sure you...
Rubbish! I want my money back! My money!
No. Because one day,
Daga, what you are doing to Ada is not fair. If you don't love her, let her go.
How can I let Ada go? Is it possible? And survive with 35,000 naira salary? Bros, I will talk about another thing. It's not possible, man.
Then stop hurting her. Stop treating her like an animal. It's not fair at all. Beggar, have you thought of seeing your sister in that same shoe?
For where? My sister cannot be so stupid to be forcing herself on a man who does not love her. It's not possible now. My sisters, well cultured. I beg, my guy, leave that matter for Matthias. Let's talk about another thing. What about that girl that came to your office? The one I met at your office.
I've told you to go talk to her if you like her. I've told you I don't hook people up for relationship.
A little introduction will do the magic. Alright?
Tega, I'm not ready to do that. You are man enough to go for what you want. After all, you're taken.
Taken? Who? By who? If you're talking about Adugo, Adugo is just my ATM machine. I'm holding on to her until, I get a better job and an apartment. For now. Oh baby, Sakampele.
Now what is she?
What is she? As if you don't know. My ATM machine, they use and they refill. As it be. So I get a better job and a good apartment. She go there with me.
Come on, go. Come on, leave my house this minute.
Are you mad? Are you sending me out of my son's house?
Don't worry, your son is coming with you.
Don't worry. When my son comes back, I'll make sure he sends you out of this house. I calculate. Let's bet. Oh, you want to bet me?
No, let's bet.
You want to bet me?
Let's bet. Can I bet? Let's bet. Don't worry, your son is leaving this house with you. Take your place and leave this house.
Come and see, oh. Donna, come and see what is happening. Eh? Come and see what this woman you kept in the house is doing to me.
My love. I'm sorry.
Eh?
Please forgive me.
Don't you dare.
Hey!
Sorry.
Donna! What is it?
Wait first, Mama.
Hey! Chimu.
Hey, please forgive me. I'm so sorry.
I want you out of my house. I want you out of my house this minute.
Where do you want me to go to?
Hey! Somebody should wake me up, please. Oh. Where am I? Eh? Is this Nigeria? Eh? Because it's only in overseas. I hear that a woman will send her husband out of their house. Such law is not applicable in Nigeria. Nenano? How can you send my son out of his house?
Stop talking, because stop it. Stop it.
Nah.
My love.
Wait. Where did she get this juju she's using to turn your head? You're even kneeling before her. Begging her. In your own house. No, eh?
Please, let's find a way to solve this. Okay, let's look for a way forward. We can make it. Okay? We can make it again. Let's just look for a way forward.
In your house?
You want us to look for a way forward?
Exactly.
You want us to look for a solution to this problem?
Yes, that is what I want, please. You know how much I love you,
and you
right?
want peace to reign.
Exactly. You know my heart. You know exactly what I want.
Donna! Go inside. Pack all your belongings and leave my house with this woman. Leave my house with this woman! I don't want to say it again! I don't want to say it again!
Baby.
Donna?
Mama, don't deny me now, please.
Where did she put this juju for you? Donna? Hey! Donna, so you want to tell me that a woman is asking you to leave your house, your own house, and you're begging her? Donna?
Mama, Donna, have him. Leave me alone.
Hey!
Oshim, Donna.
How do I explain this to my husband people? Eh?
Mama Ogini, what is it?
I want to understand. Why will you allow your wife to chase us out of your house? Why?
Out of her house. It's her house.
I don't understand. It's her house. And why have you not told me all this while that it's not your house, that it's her house? And I've been telling her all sorts of things.
Have you not gotten what you wanted? You're fine now, right? You're fine.
Don't worry, when we get to the village, you will explain this thing very well to me because I don't understand you.
Mama, who is following you to the village? Me. I am taking you to the park. You understand? I'm not going to the village with you. I'm going back to my friend's house.
No.
Do you have any job for me in the village?
We have to go to the village so that you will explain this to me. I don't understand. Eh?
It's a house, not my house. To the park. Let's go.
So you don't have house and you
Mama,
married
to the
wife?
park.
Yeah, Donna? You must follow me to the village so that you will go and explain to me. I don't understand.
Adugo, what are you talking about? I don't want to lose him. You know how long I stayed before any man came to say hello to me. They were always scared of me because they feel I am too pretty and it makes them insecure. This man was the only person who had the boldness to come to me. I don't want to lose him. I'm really surprised at your weakness. How can you allow a man humiliate you in your own house? And you call that a relationship? No, babe. That's slavery. I believe he will change. I think he's only frustrated because he wasn't promoted last month. Well, if he's frustrated, he shouldn't lash it out on you. Look, it's high time you let that guy go. Okay? Lisa, you don't understand. He was a good man before he started drinking. So I believe he will change. He will never change. When a man seeks solace in alcohol, he is ruined. See, the earlier you let him go, the better and safer for you. I can't send him away. I can't. I love him. You sit here and tell me you love a man who beats and rapes you? I never told you he raped me. He only forced himself on me. Oh, wow. So, what's that in simple English? Romance? Lisa. Don't Lisa me, Adugo. This is the 21st century. For goodness sake. Stop behaving as if you are... Lisa, you don't understand. I cannot bear to send him away. Besides, he has nowhere to go. That's not true. You are scared. You are scared because you think no man will come your way again. Now you're being so blunt. And that's insulting. Okay, fine. Bear your burden alone. But don't come running to me for advice. You behave like a child sometimes. Honestly. Now you're insulting me. Oh, really? Am I? Well, let me tell you more. You are scared because you think men would come your way because of your beauty and your riches. You have to let this man go before he kills you. It's better to be alone than die in the hands of a beast. Please just stop it. Enough of the insults already. No advice is an insult. The truth cannot be an insult. Get rid of the fear of being single, my friend. A man doesn't make you complete. It was a mistake talking to you about this, obviously. Sorry.
That never appreciated. What kind of human? He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's never gonna change. He's ungrateful, and he's heartless. He's He's ungrateful, but I know he can never change. Yeah.
Hi. You remember me? Remember me?
Of course I do.
Okay.
You're the guy that came to see Ayo in his office and couldn't get his eyes off me.
Hey, how could you have forgotten me just like that? I was the guy who came to see you on my birthday and you were angry with me.
Oh, that. But that doesn't still change the fact that you wanted to eat me up with your eyes the first day you saw me.
Anyway, I saw a lady full of beauty, so I couldn't take my eyes off you. Hi, my name is Tega.
I'm Helen.
Helen, oh, all right. So, you came for shopping?
Yeah, I came to do some shopping.
Uh-huh. All right. So, can we hang out? I mean, we can sit down and talk. What do you think?
That would be nice, but I have a date by 3.
I won't waste your time. Trust me. We'll be quick on that, okay?
Okay, that means you need to drop me off. Where's your car?
My car broke down, so it is in the mechanic workshop. But hey, we can go with a taxi, all right?
Oh, okay. That's fine. Have this.
Well, that's okay.
Thank you.
All right. The wait. Let's go then.
All right.
All right. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
That never appreciated. What kind of human? He's ungrateful, that I know.
Wonder.
Helen,
Ayo.
what are you doing in my house?
Your house? Baby. I thought you said this was your house.
Well, my brother man, both of us live here together, together in any weather in Bagada. So this is my man. His house, my house, his house.
Oh.
One day. Is it a lie? So, let me see her off on a kum way. All right, I'll see you soon, baby.
I'll see you around, Ayo.
All right.
He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know he's never gonna change. He's ungrateful.
Okay. There you go. Good. I'm happy you enjoyed yourself, anyways. All right. So, I'll give you a call.
Okay. Baby. I need some money.
Okay. For
I need money for my hair, my pedicure, my manicure. No need to change this hair for you.
well, how much are we talking about now?
Let me say 35,000. Not like it's enough. I'll just manage because it's
35,000.
Yeah.
You know, say money no be problem. And I should take go near Diego money the bego.
I know.
No problem. Right? Okay. I will make you a transfer.
Okay.
So you get it soon. Okay.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Trust
Thank
me.
you so
Trust
much.
me. Trust you, Odogu. Eh?
Bye, Odogu.
All right. So I'll come here, baby.
Stop it. No.
So I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Take care of you. Bye.
Take care of you too. 35K ego salary, my salary. In Anam for her. Why you cannot even identify your son or your Saba? Well, 35. 35 Bugwang. Hey, one. If you want chop frog, go chop the one way large. Guy, one I suck over you see mine way back. What up with you? Hi. See, you get big way you chop like this. You go forget say fornication and saying hello.
Dega, what was the meaning of that?
Yeah. Why you dey high like say you be my uncle? Okay, chill. Why relaxer? Wetin happen?
Chill? You told me you were coming to charge your phones. What is the meaning of all this?
I came to charge my phone. Everything not charging now, guy. Opportunity call. Well, the opportunity to charge your phone. Charge one go and go. Hello. What you dey talk? Where you boy a good farmer man?
Listen. Dega, listen to me. Listen and listen good. I will not take this from you next time.
Oga,
I will not take this from you next time.
Life is simple. Why are you making it complicated? Simple thing. Say I come here, charge phone, browse internet. That be the problem. Why AC Jubo Ibiko? Relax. Why relaxer? Now what for you? You don't be my man. What are friends for if not inconveniencing each other? I better go find me 200. Make I take enter keke dey go. As you see me now. My name na Brocade. Brooklyn. Bros, too hot. I don't use leg go. If you don't give me 200, I go day here. Me and you go day together. Okay. You go 200, open olu e make I wa. Ba keke na wa.
Tears has been my fault every day. Crying for the pains of love. Wishing one day everything is gonna be okay. And I've tried all I could to make this thing to work, but you never can, 'cause you never help me.
What is that look on your face? Why are you looking at me like that?
Nothing.
You have something in mind. Something evil against me in your mind. So, spit it out.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. We shall see.
Can I ask you something?
I'm listening.
Why did you change? Why does everything I do upset you? Why? You used to be a very charming man. But now, you are terrible.
Terrible. See, because I stay in your house and that's why you are calling me arrogant. Right?
No, Tega. I am just worried.
Hold on. I'm still talking. Shut up. I'm still talking. I know you are no longer comfortable that I live here, that I stay with you. Anyways, it's okay. But listen to me. I am here to stay. There's nothing you can do about it. And hey, one more thing, I am a happy man. Yes, I want to stay happy. I'm too young for you to make me unhappy. So if I cannot get happiness in you, I look for it elsewhere.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. By the way, can I get some bill off you? Like 60,000 naira.
I told you that I don't have any cash right now.
You see? You see what I'm saying? You see? You're suddenly out of cash because it is my problem. What happens to all the money you had? What happens to all the money? Huh? What? Selfish person. Selfish. You are selfish. All you know is about yourself. That's what you're heartless. I don't even know why I'm treating you with kids' glove. What?
This is the last money I have with me. I wanted to use it for house rent. But you can have it. If it will make you happy. I just want you to be happy.
Thank you. Hey. You're almost the best. Thank you. Hey, come and sit with me. Come here. Come on, baby. You know I love you, right?
Smile for daddy.
All right, so
So what exactly do you do for a living?
well, I own a record label, and I am into importation of jewelries and accessories.
You must be a big man.
If you say so, yes. But I am happy this way. I mean, no bodyguards, no convoy, just keeping it simple. Even my cabman doesn't know what I do, and he doesn't know what I am into.
Well, single ladies like me, like men like you.
Yeah, I'm single too. Single men like us, like single lady like you. Listen, if you calm down, you'll enjoy this relationship.
Are we in a relationship already?
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm with you already.
I like you. I like your sense of humor, your sarcasm. Your choice of words can make any woman spend the whole day with you without checking her time.
I take that as a yes.
I'm flattered. You know, I thought you were going to run off after we made out.
Nah. Real men like us don't abscond after making out with a lady like you.
I'm flattered. Thank you.
So why were you angry with me on my birthday?
Can we not just talk about that?
All right.
Sorry. Hello? Why are you calling me? I've told you to stop calling me. Is it so hard for you to understand? Melvin, is it because of the 100,000 you gave to me? I am going to send it back to you. Stop calling me.
What are you saying? I'm asking you where you are. You're talking out of point. Are you out with that figure boy?
Melvin, stop calling me with your gutter attitude. Stop!
Oh, I see. Good. Now listen, there is nothing at home. So if you're coming back, make sure you come with enough goodies. Come with cool cash. Not even a grain of rice in the kitchen, okay?
You reckless drunk. Rubbish.
Alright. It's okay, no problem. I'm good. Alright.
Melvin, I'm no longer interested. Stop calling me. Can you get out of my phone? Rubbish. Babe.
Baby, who was that?
One guy like that though. One guy. He's been asking for my number.
And I gave it to him. He called me and asked for my account number. The next thing, he sent me 100,000. After that, he's been calling me to come and see him. Just imagine.
Ignore him. Don't listen to him anyways. And you said the money is 100,000.
Hi. Sorry? What studio are you talking about?
Listen, Ada, do what I asked you to do and stop asking me stupid questions. I will send you an account number and you said 200,000 naira in the account. Did you hear me? Do that and do that fast. I don't have all day.
Wait, are you sure I am the one you wanted to call?
Hey babe, you have to send me your account number anyways. Right?
I will.
You're happy now, right?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Okay.
At least that idiot will know how to talk to me now. Knowing fully well that my new boyfriend is an Odugu.
Well, money is not a problem. You know why? Because we make money, spend money, eat money, save money, and then spend money on a daily.
I know.
On a bills like this.
Baby. Why don't you go to your house and chill?
Oh, well, my house is filled with my relatives that came from the UK. Alright, so instead, let's go to yours.
Mine? Ha, baby. I have 2 friends that are staying with me currently. But they will leave soon.
Oh, okay. Anyways, Bendo, you know, let's chill, have fun, drink.
Okay.
An idea will come.
Okay.
Come here.
I don't believe this. Hold on. You mean he gave you 200,000?
Just like that.
Just like that. Come on, give me some love.
Stop it.
I love you, Angel. You know what, baby, this time around now, you're going to lie to him again. Let us see how much he will cough out this time.
Babe, the way I see that guy,
Yes.
he's ready to empty his pocket for me.
Who will not do that for all this? For all these,
You can do that.
I can do more, if I hire you, I can do more, my angel. Now you're going to go out there and get more money, okay? Now our traveling is going to be very, very easy.
How much is left?
Baby, forget about the money. Stop calculating. Let's go for the cash.
Just tell me to go and hustle and bring the money because I know you're not ready to go and hustle.
Helen, are you going to insult me? No. Want to remind me that I'm jobless? The last time I checked, I want to go back to my ex-sugar mommy. You told me to stop that you're jealous.
Stop it.
You know that my sugar mommy will cough out millions for me. What's wrong with you? I hate this.
Stop now. Baby. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way.
And you said I'm jobless, right?
You're not jobless. You're my baby. You're my sugar. Let's go. I missed you.
Stop it. I like it.
I know you like it.
Stop it. I like it.
I know you like it. Stop it, baby.
How are you? No, don't worry, don't worry.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Did anybody come looking for me today?
No one came around.
Baba. The pen is for you. Take.
Thank you, ma.
You will be starting school soon.
Hey! Oh my God, thank you very much. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you so much, ma.
Get up.
I'll be starting school.
Yes.
Thank you very much. God bless you, ma.
You're welcome.
I'll be starting school. Now, I can go to school. I can learn how to write now. Yes, I can write. I can write. Thank you. Thank you very much, madam. God will bless you for me. Yes. A is for avionic. Wow. She's happy today. Wow. I'm glad she's happy. Wow. She's smiling, and that's so amazing.
What did you do with 200,000 naira? Why are you trying so hard to ruin my life?
Hey. I will not condone any insult from you because of a poultry 200,000 naira. What do you mean by that? Huh?
I demand to know what you did with 200,000 naira. If you're not going to tell me, then return my money.
I do not blame you. I blame my village people. They've been following me up and down. Refused me from getting a cogent job in an oil company. That's why you can stand here and lewase agua. Right?
Tega. My money.
It's your money. You want to beat me? Eh? Your money, or you beat me, or you slap me.
Tega, you have to give me the money. If it is obvious, you don't want to tell me what you did with it. The money.
What I did with it, you're asking a stupid question.
What did you say?
I said you're asking a stupid question. Do you want to beat me? Do you want to cheat me? No, come an inch. A little bit closer. Oga, spring water anya ga na flow. Eva water anya ga usana. Or the kifunu ba abodo before. Girlfriend go help you wake.
To make this thing to work, but you never can, 'cause you never help me. What kind of man that never appreciated? What kind of human? He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's never gonna change. He's never gonna change. He's ungrateful, and he's heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He can never change. He's never gonna change. of love, wishing one day everything is gonna be okay. And I've tried all I could to make this thing to work, but you never can, 'cause you never help me. What kind of man that never appreciated? What kind of human? He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's never gonna change. He's never gonna change. He's ungrateful, and he's heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He can never change. He's never gonna change.
My father was a drunk, but he never laid his hands one day on my mother. He's not even educated.
Get me water from the fridge.
Never can, 'cause you never help me. What kind of man that never appreciated? What kind of human? He's ungrateful, that I know. He's ungrateful, and so heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He's never gonna change. He's never gonna change. He's ungrateful, and he's heartless. He's ungrateful, that I know. He can never.
Nice. You know, I've been praying for someone like you, but now I have you. I would not want this love to end. You know why?
Why?
You're so amazing. You're so wonderful.
Thank you.
Come on, baby. All right, so now we go inside. All right?
But you know that I love you.
Hey, no, I love you more.
No, I love you more.
Hey, baby, I love you more.
No, I love you more. No.
Hey, I see you want to run again, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But I don't want you to get exhausted because I'm going to Uchi Kuti.